Hey, we back. Yes. Okay. Remember what I said last time, or I thought about it last time. I don't know if I actually said it, but progress. This channel is about progress. Every day you can do something a little bit more to get closer to your goal. Okay. So let's start walking. Let's walk. Walk. This is 4 minutes, y'all. Yeah, I'll be okay. 4 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1. Can you see? I don't know if you see my legs. 1, 2. Okay, go side to side. All right. Okay. Go. Yes. Okay. Yes. There you go. Yeah. So how everybody's day was, huh? Did you already do your exercise? If you didn't, get up. Let's go. It's only 4 minutes. You're doing good. Don't stop. Okay? Come on. Walk in place. Walk in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Kick. Come on. Move. Move your body. All right? If you want to move your arms, you can. If you want to hold them to your side, you can. If you want to just do your elbows up, you can. It's up to you. But move your legs. Now, tonight, well, it might be morning by the time you see this video, but I was tired. Up, knees up, knees up. I was tired, and I really didn't want to do this video. But I told you, you're my motivator. You help me to stay motivated to exercise and see how far I can go. Okay? So, let's walk in place. Okay? Yes. Sound tired, right? Because it's late. But let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Everybody, let's go. Now, remember, play your music in the background. I'll start putting music on in the background once I see there's people trying to exercise, then I'll start playing music. But for now, the music is here, and my focus is now. So, okay, let's go. Yes. Ready? Ready? Move. 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 4 minutes. All right. People don't understand the secret of weight loss. It's not doing the same thing every day, but it's increasing at least every week. So your body can get, or not get used to what you're doing, and it will constantly start shedding pounds or trimming certain things on your body. Okay, let's go back to walking. Always safe to go back to walking in one place. Alright, should I back up? I don't know if you can see me. Is that better? That may be better. Alright, so come on, come on, come on. Come on, yes, there you go. Alright. Ooh, I do this all the time. I forgot to watch the clock, so I don't know how long it's been, but try to hang in there. It's almost done. You're almost done. Okay? I've been at this for 4 days. Can't believe it. So, alright. Come on. Breathe. Breathe. There you go. This video is for those that have not exercised in a long time. They want to get their motivation back. And you see, at 4 minutes, I barely could talk. So that's proof that I have not exercised. I've been a couch potato, and I'm already tired. And this is a 4-minute video Well, 4-minute exercise. So, you already know. Now, some people can stay at 4 minutes if it's too much, or they can increase if it's not enough. Okay? Alright. So, let's move to the side. I don't know if you can see me, but move to the side. There you go. Yes. Now, yesterday, we were bopping and moving. Now, today, I don't have that type of energy because I'm making this video late. I should be going to bed right now. But, alright. Well, I'm trying to exercise at least 7 days a week. And if it gets hard, I would have to stay at the number until I can move up. And that's what it's about. Remember, at least 80% of your weight loss is going to come from what you eat. The rest will be exercise. But exercise is mostly for your heart and your flexibility. Oh, and I forgot to stretch, didn't I? Oh, sorry. I meant to stretch before we start. But it's only 4 minutes. You're not going to hurt nothing. You're not going to be sore. There ain't nothing, none of that going to happen. You might be just a little bit out of breath. A little bit out of breath. A little bit out of breath. Okay? Yes. Alright. I think it's been 4 minutes. Now, for those that want to hang a little bit longer, let's do kickbacks. Kickbacks. I think I'm so close you probably can't even see me. But I'm making these videos because I gotta start. You gotta start somewhere. And I said once I start, I'm never gonna stop again. Unless I have to. You know? I wish I never stopped years ago. Years ago, when I was running and moving and jumping and running up bleachers and all that good stuff. If I knew then what I know now, I would have kept going. Even if I had to slow down, I wouldn't have stopped. So people, don't stop. Keep going. You know, you might want to only exercise 4 times a week. That's great. You know, the other 3 days, hit it real hard with what you eat, your nutrition. Okay? Now remember, all we're doing is bringing in a good habit of exercise to the point where you feel funny if you don't exercise that day. Okay, so that's how I am. I know I gotta get this video out. Okay, now those who hung with me a little bit longer than 4 minutes, all right, let's just speed up for half a minute or so, and let's jog, let's jog, let's jog, let's jog. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit it hard, hit it hard, hit it hard, hit it hard. Yes, there you go, there you go, there you go. Okay. Whew. Whew. All right. Yeah. You're gonna be thankful for your exercise tomorrow. So, okay. There you go. Whew. All right. I think we worked out long enough for today. Remember, you only have to do 4. Come back tomorrow where we go for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And see you tomorrow. And I forgot to smile. But guess what? Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes your day is hard. Things is busy. Things keep getting in the way. But this is your time. Make time for yourself. Because if you do good by yourself, for yourself, excuse me, you can have enough energy to be and do good for others. Okay? So, thank you for coming. I'll see you soon.